Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the beginning of our Disney vacation, so let's get started. We went to bed at like 10. It is currently 3 in the morning. Well, it's 2:30 actually. We're leaving at 3, so it's 2:30. I gotta get ready and we are heading to the airport. We have an early morning flight so we can like try to get the best out of everything. And yeah, we will be in Disney for 5 nights, 6 days. And tonight we have the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, so look for that. And I'm doing these vlogs more like video diaries for me to kind of keep the memory. So I know myself, I probably might forget to videotape half the stuff, but I'm gonna try my best to do. And these are my nails. So I got, since we're going to Not So Scary today, I got like Jack Skellington little friendship, and then there's a Mickey ghost here, and then this hand it's the same thing, but then I got a little Mickey pumpkin. So come along, let's start. So this is the room that's a hanger, octopus hanger, and then you have your mirror, and then your clamshell chairs and tables. These are drawers and mini fridge. Coffee table, the welcome with the family. Then you have your officially crooked picture, and then your 2 beds with the lights on top of them. And then you have your Hey Mickey device. And then here the bathroom. You have your mirror, and then your Ariel curtain, shower curtain, all your towels. And then if we come here inside, what we have is our cave of treasures. The products that you can see, it's a sticker on top of the H2O one. We got to the hotel. It was really nice. The Uber was super, he was super cute. and he was like an older gentleman, and we like missed the entrance twice. On the third try, that's when we were able to get to art of animation. I brought my blanket. And then we got here, it was like 9 something. Mind you, check-in is at 3. So we were like checking in person, because, you know, it's a couple hours. And we're like, hey, so we just like wanted to check in, leave our like luggage, because we want to go to Disney Springs. And she's like, okay, what's your name? So they were checking everything. We had our magic band sent there. So she's just kind of like explaining how to set up our magic bands and all that. And then she goes like, oh, we have a room ready. I'm like, it's 9:30 a.m. Sure, I'll take it. So yeah, so we're in a room. So we are going to be going to Disney Springs and getting some lunch, and then coming back. Maybe like we'll probably go to a store too, because we have like a couple of things we want to try to get before we go to Not So Scary. And then we're gonna come back, take a shower, do our makeups, get our costumes done, and time for Not So Scary. So let's go. Here we go, the first bus. Welcome to Disney Springs. Simplemente estas cositas tú las pones de decoración, son cajitas y tú no sabes cuáles te tocan, es misterio. Mira el trono de brushes. So many cute stuff at World of Disney. This is all the Halloween autumn stuff. ¿En serio que sí? Dos aquí pedazos. Mírala. Allí. Después de Vera Bradley una más y después de esa. That Dumbo bus is so cute. We are heading back to our hotel to get ready and go to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party tonight, so this is what Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party looks like 40 minutes before 4, which is the first time we can enter the park. Everybody here is waiting to get in. We all got the same memo, so just waiting here in the heat and sun. Hi! Ahora pues yo lo cojo. ¿Qué haces? Ooh, I like the shirt. You got here nice and early. That's the way to do it. We got your trick-or-treat bag straight up ahead and your first treats of the night. I know. The party hasn't even officially started yet. We're already giving you candy. Thank you. Acaba de swing. You are wonderful dressed for the party. Are you having a good time so far? Wonderful. Oh, I love it. got the original Tiana beignets with honey and a lot of powdered sugar. And then we also got the chocolate caramel tart for the party. So much rain. There's so much rain. We really need to get those ponchos out and those rain boots because we are being rained out of the party right now and nothing's happening.
Hey! We are the finest dead singing cowboys here in Frontier.
That's us.
All right.
Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grim pretty ghosts come out to socialize.
Here we go. Cadaver Dans are loyal.
Cadaver Dans are loyal.
Straight shooting cowboy singers.
Straight shooting cowboy singers.
All ramble, rustle, and always hustle.
All ramble, rustle, and always hustle.
I'll be a real dead ringer.
I'll be a real dead ringer.
Congratulations, you're all honorary Cadaver Dancers. All right. You know what? Once in a while.
Way to go, girl! You got this!
This is the best harvest hoedown I've ever been to.
Good evening, friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
Remember what happened on our last Halloween?
We turned to dust. Dust.
You got the mic.
Little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic.
Good All Hallows Eve. It seems that mischievous magic has caused this performance of Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular to be
we got here late last night, so I forgot to do the outro for Mickey's Not So Scary, so I apologize. It was fun but sad because we pretty much got rained out most of the time. Unfortunately, we saw the forecast and we kind of knew it was gonna rain. We were hoping that it would just clear quick, and so like we went in, we were able to grab and go into a couple of attractions, and then kind of supposed to start the party, but then it started raining. So we decided to like eat beignets and one of the tarts, which was pretty much all the food we could get. They literally like didn't start trick-or-treating until almost 7, and a lot of the trick-or-treat lines like couldn't open until the rain stopped because a lot of them are outside, so we didn't get to trick-or-treat that much. The rain kind of let down, so we were able to like, so we went to Tiana and it was closed because it was still raining, and then we're somewhere on the other side of the park and my sister realizes that Tiana is open, so we literally mad dashed to Tiana's and were able to get into Tiana standby because Tiana and Tron were standby during the actual party. They didn't have virtual queues. And then right after Tiana's, we literally ran and got to see Mickey's Not So Scary, like the Butuyu Parade, which is a separate video that's gonna go up. I'm not gonna put it here because it's gonna be too long. And then after that, we got rained on again, and we started seeing the Hocus Pocus show, and literally like 5 minutes in, you can see them like run backstage and like, oh, it got delayed, meaning like we didn't get anything else. Got rained out some more, watched the fireworks under the rain. It was like pouring rain, like it was pouring the entire time. And then what else? We got to go on Space Mountain, which is pitch black and absolutely a thrill. I loved it. And then we got into the Matty Hatter party, which is also with like spooky music, and it was really cool. We did do Haunted Mansion, which isn't a different Haunted Mansion, but we did because we were all riding the Not So Scary with that. And then we were hoping, because it had stopped raining for a little bit, that we could see Hocus Pocus at the end of the night and they would do the whole thing, but they actually did like a 5-minute truncated version, which is pretty much the last song and introducing all the villains. So it wasn't really like we couldn't get the Hocus Pocus, which was the one thing that I really wanted. But overall, we got to experience that. We got to see the Butuyu. We got to see a little bit of the Hocus Pocus. We didn't see Jack during the fireworks, but we got to see those fireworks. We got to get exclusive merch, which was kind of one of my goals. And we only had only the chart was the only party exclusive food that we got, but it was still really cool. Would I do it again? Yes. And it's really nice because you can go into the park at 4. We got there literally like maybe 45 minutes before, and it was packed because everybody knew to get there early, and it was really nice. But we got to go on a bunch of, we got like 4 or 5 actual rides before the party even started. So 10 out of 10 recommend doing that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the like button so if you like videos like this. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post, which is weekly on Thursdays, and click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.